Welcome back to Liagel Show, where we educate and entertain. Remember, in this video, we are going to capture our material mix variance, material yield variance, and material cost variance. I'm your tutor, Julius Joseph. If you're new to this channel, please remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment on our videos. This is the question you're going to check on. Julmax Limited is a coffee processing firm dealing in manufacture of a coffee blend by using two basic material inputs, M and N, mixed as follows. Material, the data is given there. We have the standard mix ratios and standard prices per kg. So they're saying a standard loss of 15% is expected. During the month of February 2016, the company produced 2,500 kg of coffee blend. The actual quantities were as follows. So the data is also given there for the actual quantities for each of the materials here, quantity used, and even the cost. Now we are required to calculate the following variances, that is the material mix variance, material yield variance, and material cost variance. So let us start from Roman 1, where we'll be calculating the material mix variance. So remember, material mix variance, which we'll abbreviate as MMV, is given by standard price into standard mix over the actual total input minus actual mix. So that is the formula we'll be using to calculate the material mix variance. So that is standard price into standard mix of the actual total input minus actual mix. So from this point, remember the standard price, we have been given this in the question, so we need to look for the standard mix of the actual total input. So standard mix will be given by, remember we are having two materials, M and N. Starting with the first material M, the standard mix will be, remember the proportion for material M in our question was 40, this one here, and the proportion for N was 60%, and the quantity used for material M was 1,400, and that for N is 1,600. So proportion will be 40 over 100 multiply by, remember we talked of total input, the actual total input, which will be that of M and N added together, 14, that is 1,400 plus 1,600. 1,400 plus 1,600. This will give us the standard mix for material M. You can just feed that into your calculator. Just a minute. What you're getting, it will be 1,200. What about for N? Remember the proportion was 60%, so 60 over 100 times this one is the same as 3,000. So the standard mix for N will be, just feeding that into a calculator, will be 1,800. Are we together up to that point? Now, what are we remaining with? Do we have the actual mix? Yes. Do you have the standard price? Yes. So, and you also have the standard mix of the actual total input. So the material mix variance for the two materials will be, for M, we are getting back to our formula. What is the standard price for material M? We go back to our question. The standard price for M was given to be 120. So it will be 120 into standard mix for M was 1200 minus the actual mix. We go back to our question here, where they are going to use the actual mix here was 1400 for material M. So you put it there, 1400, and this gives you the value for that. Then for N, the standard price for N, back to our question again, it was 100. So you come here, those there, 100 into the standard mix for material N was 1800 minus the actual mix for this one, back to our question, was 1600. So you subtract 1600 and you get your mix variance for that. So by feeding this into your calculator, M will be 24,000 adverse. If you remember, the standard is less, the actual kgs used is exceeding our standard value here. Then for N, this one will be 20,000, which is favorable. If you can check here, the actual value sorry, is less than the standard mix. So what is our overall price, the material mix variance? So by adding the two, 24,000 adverse and 20,000 favorable, we are going to have the answer to be 4,000, which is still adverse. And that becomes the final answer for this question. Hope we are together, and that is how you tackle material mix variance. So in our next video, we'll be capturing the material yield variance for the same question. Remember to subscribe. We meet in the next video.